Got another friend from YouTube, KenRock's, so I'll let him explain it all to you.
I got a AudioQue HD3 15, running off of AudioQue 2200.
Alright.
And a little Serwin Vega amp for the mids and highs.
Nice, coming in with that. Oh, that's a nice size battery there, buddy.
Yeah, it's alright.
Nice. Got the Clarion EQS.
Got it from you, man.
Hell yeah.
Man.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, this is perfect. Look at how much this guy's car is flexing, and then watch the next video and see how loud his SPL number is. I'll go ahead and let you watch the rest of the flex.